Hey, welcome back to edtech. Today is continuation of my JavaScript Array Methods. Today I'll be teaching you about concat method. Okay, so let's get started. By the way, concat method is a method in which you join or do concatenation of two arrays, and this is how we do. Let's get started. Let's consider an array 1. Okay, so our first array is going to be, as usual, my favorite, names. Okay, so let's consider some beautiful names. Mike, Callie, comma, I forgot the comma. Callie. Okay, so let's say it has only two names, short and sweet. Array 2 is some set of other names. Let's say Mary, comma, then Anna. So that should be fine. So remember, in arrays, you can join two arrays or more arrays and get a new array, but the original arrays remain the same. They don't change. So let's create a new array, array 3. Okay, how do you get array 3? By doing concat or joining array 1 and array 2. And how do you do that? So it's array, you do that this way, array 1 dot, you do a dot first, that is, you join them through using a dot, concat, C-O-N-C-A-T, array 2, then the semicolon. Okay, now you have to call for the result, call for array 3. So document.write array 3. See what you get? So you get the values of both the arrays here, right? Now I go back to my file. Now instead of joining two arrays, I can also join one array, or rather add one array to a string. So let's consider this. Array 1 dot concat. Instead of array 2, let me consider, after array 2, let me consider, let me consider a string here. Array 3 is array 1 dot concat. Just a name, let's say Peter. So I just want to consider adding this to a string. Then document.write array 3. Let's see. So the Peter gets added to array 1. Array 1 was Mike and Kelly. In the result, you have Mike, Kelly, and Peter. So it got added to a string. So you can do it that way, directly to a string. It adds also. Another one, instead of two arrays, you can have multiple arrays. Let's consider adding 3 arrays. Okay, so you have array 1 here, array 2 here. Let's say, let's have another array. Let's have array 4. Yeah, and then you can name it either ways. Okay, so let me have some other names. Instead of Anna, let me say Annie. Then let me say Michelle. Another one of my favorite names. Haha. Okay. So now I have array 1 here, I have array 2, I have array 4, and I want to make a new array. Let's say array 3 by concatenation of all the 3 arrays. So let me remove this first. the Peter. So I do array3 is array1.concat. The rest remaining are array2 and array4. So in the bracket I write array2, comma, array4. And then I call for document.write array3. Let's see. There you go. It's all added up. Mike, Kelly, Mary, Anna, Annie, Michelle. All the arrays, all the values of array1, array2, array4 gets added. In case I have more arrays, array 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. So all of it I do array1.concat. In the comma, I just include like array2, comma, array4, comma, array5, 6, whatever. Keep on adding them. So this is how I do that. Multiple arrays. So you can concatenate using this, or concat is a short form. So concat. The method is called concat. And this is how you concat arrays. 2 or more arrays, multiple arrays. Either that way, or you can add string this way using the concat method. So I hope you understood. Enjoy watching this tutorial, and if you've not subscribed, do remember to subscribe and also hit the bell button so that you're notified immediately of all my tutorials on web dev. I'll be publishing more such JavaScript tutorials in the array series and much more. So stay informed, stay safe, stay subscribed. Bye. See you in the next tutorial.